This machine costs $10 million. And that's the cheap part, because a yacht keeps costing millions every single year, even if it never leaves the harbor. It might be the most beautiful way to destroy money ever invented. Here's how it works. There's a famous rule in the yacht world. Whatever the yacht costs to buy, plan to spend around 10% of that every year just to keep it. $10 million yacht? That's roughly $1 million a year. Not for trips, not for parties, just for the yacht to exist. Think about that. $1 million a year means every morning you wake up, your boat has quietly eaten almost $3,000 while parked, while you were asleep. So where does all that money go? 4 big mouths. Mouth number 1, the crew. A big yacht is a floating hotel, and hotels need staff. Captain, engineers, chefs, deckhands. They work all year, even when the owner shows up 2 weeks per summer. That's hundreds of thousands in salaries for a boat that's mostly waiting. Mouth number 2, fuel. A large yacht can burn hundreds of liters per hour. One trip along the coast can cost more than a family car. A crossing, more than the car dealership. Mouth number 3, the parking spot. A berth in a nice marina can cost more per year than an apartment in the same city. The boat's garage is more expensive than most people's homes. Mouth number 4, repairs. Saltwater is a monster with one job, eating boats. It chews metal, paint, engines, electronics. Everything on a yacht breaks, and everything with the word marine on the price tag costs triple. Crew, fuel, parking, repairs. 4 mouths, chewing all year, every year. Now the cruel part. After feeding it millions, what's the yacht worth? Less. Every year, less. A yacht loses value like a car, just with more zeros. Buy it for $10 million, sail it for 5 years, and it might sell for 6 or 7. So the money burns twice, once to keep it alive, and once as it quietly shrinks in value. An apartment can pay you rent. A business can pay you profit. A yacht pays you nothing and sends you invoices. So why do rich people keep buying them? 3 reasons. Some charter them out, renting the yacht to strangers so it bleeds a little slower. Some genuinely live at sea and use it 200 days a year, which changes the math. But for most, simple. A yacht is proof. Proof you're so rich that losing millions a year doesn't hurt. It's not an investment. It's a flex with an engine. Here's the lesson, and it's bigger than boats. Everything you own is one of 2 things. It either feeds your piggy bank or it eats from it. An apartment you rent out feeds it. A business feeds it. A yacht is the most beautiful piggy bank eater ever built. And there's an old saying rich people's accountants love, if it floats or flies, don't buy it, rent it. Question for the comments. If money didn't matter, what's the one ridiculous thing you would buy? No judgment. This is a safe space for bad financial decisions. And subscribe. One money disaster every week, explained like you're 6. Monster out.